Hello, I'm Styx. We will talk about longest place names in the world. Have you ever seen the longest place names? If you didn't, we'll tell you the longest words. In short, let's say 3 names: Chargo, Lanvar, and Taumata. First name, Chargo. Also we call Lake Shobunagunkamog, or Webster Lake, located in Massachusetts. It consists of 45 letters comprising 14 syllables. Chargogagogmenchaugagogchaubunagungumog. Second name, Lanvar PG. It is located on the island of Anglesey, Wales, on the Menai Strait next to the Britannia Bridge and across the strait from Bangor. It consists of 58 letters, that comprises 19 syllables. Lanvar Pugwin Gilgogaru Quirndrabo Landaziliogogogog. And third name, Taumata. A hill near Porongahau, south of Waipukurau in southern Hawke's Bay, New Zealand. It consists of 85 letters, comprising 37 syllables. Taumata Wakatangi Handgako Owa Otamati Taripukakapai Ki Mounga Horonuku Pokaiwanu Aki Tahu. Whoa! This is unbelievable. I think Taumata is the longest place name ever, according to the Guinness Book of World Records. So can I help with a journalist or a politician, Sally? Hello, Sally.
Hi, it's me, Princess Sally Acorn speaking.
Are you a journalist?
Yes, I'm a journalist. Are you a little guy teaching?
Actually, I'm an adolescent, by the way.
How old are you?
14. And you are?
29.
Sally, I wanted to tell you Taumata is the longest name ever.
Okay.
Did you ever try to read it?
No, I haven't.
Okay, I'll help you to read this.
Okay.
It consists of 85 letters. Let's divide into number of words.
A word with 85 letters. Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. Repeat after me. First word, Taumata.
Taumata.
Wakatangi.
Wakatangi.
Hangaka'ao.
Hangako'o'o.
Tamatia Pokai.
Tamadipakai.
Whenua.
Whenua.
Kitana Tahu.
Kitana Tahu.
Did you get that, Sally?
Yes, but difficult to read it, my apologies.
You can practice it very well.
Are you smart enough to read bigger words?
Yes, of course. Oh, you forgot to tell me my name.
Okay, what's your name?
I'm Styx, the badger.
Okay, Styx, thank you for showing me.
Okay, so now we have learned about longest place names in the world. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.